Once a user has uploaded a file, it goes into the transcription and diarization process to assign each segment to its respective speaker. From here, the voice audio is then converted into a detailed information spectrum for a richer analysis. This allows our models to pick up on proprietary spectral data that the human ear may miss. Next, our proprietary deception model analyzes each speaking moment of the spectral data and checks the segments to ensure they meet the model's assumptions. These assumptions include clear speech, cognitive load, and a minimum number of spoken words. Segments that don't meet these assumptions will have limited analysis reliability and will be identified as such. When the assumptions are met, the segment is assigned a deception score. The deception score and the raw transcription are then passed to an LLM for linguistic and leakage Q insights. It is important to note that the LLM will only reveal these publicly available theorems and not describe the hundreds of proprietary spectral analyses also included in the deception results. The final output is displayed on the Arche-AI results page, providing a complete deception model score and the secondary linguistic analysis and insights, both at a summary level and within each monologue by the speakers. We'll dive into understanding the results and dashboard in later videos.